Hi, my awesome friends. Today is Collaboration Day, and today's collaboration is called What Month Is It? So, of course, it's July. And I had to look up what kind of things happen in the month of July so I knew what to focus on. And the thing that stood out the most was the ice cream. Now, further in this video, I will introduce you to the host, the co-hostesses, and the special guest. So stay tuned. So keeping in my thought of ice cream, I'm going to make an ice cream stand. I'm going to start with that box, something I got in the mail from Amazon, of course. And then I have this cute, I have actually two of them, ice cream cones from the 99-cent store. And then I have this popcorn box, also from the 99-cent store. Some large craft sticks that I'll be using for support. Some dowels, some straws, and I got some Jenga blocks, and of course I can't forget the most important thing, the glue gun. And then I'm going to be using these little stickers because I don't have a Cricut to give me lettering. And then I have some little embellishments I'm going to use, and they're little ice cream cones. So come along as I build my ice cream stand, and I hope you like it. Okay, so we're first going to start with the awning, the colorful awning, and I'm just simply putting some craft sticks in certain areas to try to take out that wrinkle, first of all, and then to provide it some support. I don't want it flopping around in the wind. And so I've got some little marks on there, and I was just checking the front of it to see if it's looking okay. So again, we're just going to simply glue in these different areas because we want to make that stiff, because we're going to add some poles to the awning. Alright, so now I've got my sticks where I want, so now I'm going to work on my area where I'm going to apply the sticks, and I've got to have some support there, so I'm just simply using the Jenga blocks along with the stick, craft stick next to it. And I'm still going. Soon I'll be grabbing that pole. There it goes. And so I've got some marks there on the side. My husband had to do the angles for me because I had no clue. And I'm sorry, sometimes I get out of frame. I don't know why that happens, but I'm simply adhering those sticks, and then here they are. I've put them into the box. I use that pointy end of a skewer, and then just made a point in the box. I was showing you that I just had to, once I put it in, just put more glue just to make sure that it didn't move around on the box itself, because it's just cardboard, and so I just flipped it over so I could show you that how it's kind of just hanging out there. So I'm gonna have to secure that with a good amount of glue, which I did, and it was fine. So here I have now did like a base of white, and now I'm going over with my antique wax to give it a little bit of color. And then I started to go a little crazy, and you'll see that pretty soon. But it's okay. I'm happy with the way it looks. And I'm just trying to get in all those little areas. I'm just trying to make it not look like little craft sticks on the front of this box. So I think I did an okay job. So here I am, just still trying to distress. Keep getting further and further away from where I thought I was going to be. Alright, so let's take a break and talk about our host. And this is Tami from Happiness Created. And we have two co-hosts. We have Missy from Craft Cove Home Decor DIYs. And we have Jackie from Momma Mia DIY. And the special guest this month is Emily from Charm Chic. So want you guys to all go over and check out their page and see what awesome and creative things they did, focusing on something that reminds them of July. Now let's get back to my video and see how my ice cream stand turns out. Okay, progress is being made. I've got the top of the stand all painted. I've got these little boxes that I made, and I thought I had put the video in there, but I don't think so. But I just used craft sticks, the larger ones, and then the smaller ones to make these little trays for my little ice cream cones. And then my husband, with a block of wood, he just made some holes so that I can put my little holders for my larger ice cream soft serve cones. And here they are, my little tray. I put my little cones on there. And those are the strawberry ones with the sprinkles, super cute. I got those from, I think it was Playco 3. I'm not sure. It was somebody on Etsy, and I don't remember because I've ordered from different people. But I thought they were super cute. So I'm just adding them to my little tray. So I'll have a tray of strawberry cones and a tray of vanilla cones. And then here's my little block of wood that my husband drilled for me. And I put, I inverted the tips for frosting tips. And then I put these cute little Disney Minnie and Mickey ice creams on the front. Alright, so here I am just making a backdrop for this stand because, you know, I've got to have a name for it. So I'm just taking this round that I got from, I think it was a 99-cent store. I think it came in a pack of 2 or 3. It's actually a cake stand. And then I'm just using that colorful tissue paper and adhering it with Mod Podge. And then once I get that put on, then I will embellish it. And then as you see, there's some sticks at the bottom, and so that's going to help me to adhere that to the back of my stand once I'm ready to attach it. So here I am, still Mod Podging away this tissue paper, and I struggled a little bit because it, you know, of course it wants to bubble up, and then when I looked at it, it had like this weird mark on it. I was like, oh my goodness. So anyways, so here's my little ice cream shop name. Again, I don't have a Cricut, so I had to use these little stickers. And then I didn't like the raw edge, so I put this green and white striped ribbon on it. And then here's the tops of those ice cream cones, and it had a hole in it because you put a straw. So I just wanted to fill that in. And I didn't have anything that I could use for to hold the glue from coming out, so I had to use my little silicone mat there. It worked, but it didn't work as good as some people I've seen on their videos before. And then I decided to just add some embellishment, and here I am just adding a little bit of slick paint, and then as you saw in the other one, I add some glitter to it just so it doesn't look like a plastic thing. I was going to do the bottom part, but I simply ran out of time. Here's the reveal of how it looks. I did that little sign. I don't know where the video of that went either, but there's a little sign in the front, and then I put a little bit of ribbon around the boxes too because it looked a little too boring. So I hope you like how I put it together. So cute. And you see my ice cream cones? Again, another piece of footage. I don't know what happened to a lot of my footage. Maybe I thought the video would be too long and I accidentally deleted it. I'm not sure. But those little cones I had bought online, and then I just simply put spackle inside there. And then on the spackle, I just put some little faux sprinkles before it dried. And then there's my backdrop with the ice cream shop and those cute little ice cream little things that I put on the sign. It's so cute, don't you think? And then there's the big ice cream cones holding up the, well, it's supposed to be like it's holding up the canopy. And then I'm just going to show you a little further back. And there you go. Thank you everyone for stopping by and checking out my ice cream stand. To all my loyal supporters, subscribers, thank you for coming back and always giving me the love and support. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, think about it. What are you waiting for? It's time. Push that subscribe button. I'd love for you to be part of my YouTube family because I have lots of new DIYs coming soon. Again, thank you guys for coming by, and don't forget to check out that playlist and our host and co-hostess, and of course the special guest for this month. Hope you like my ice cream stand in tribute to the month of July. Very, very hot here in California. Bye-bye. I'll leave you now to music and the rest of the video and pictures.